Firstly, look to the US as GM sales is increasing by 24% to 455,580 units during the third quarter of 2022, still down 7% year over year in the United States market. But this is the good news for GM. But this is not because of great EV sales, as GM's bumpy EV adventure continues, as Cadillac has already issued a stop sales order and production for its first electric vehicle, the Lyriq, after discovering a defect with the infotainment system's screen. After workers noticed the blank display, the carmaker investigated the problem and found that it happened when someone interrupted the screen's booting or shutdown sequence by opening the door of the vehicle when it was parked. If that happened, the screen would turn off. Wow, that is some really sophisticated software right there. A fix will consist of updating the vehicle's display screen control module's software, but this operation can only be performed at dealers, not via an over-the-air software update as you would expect here in 2022 from the leader in the EV race. But don't worry, GM has not made a lot of Lyriqs yet. In all of Q3, GM delivered 36 Lyriqs. Wow.